Hey, what's happening, everybody? This is Silver Fox here. Yeah, I'm gonna be showing you the sold and the current auctions for the 2023 Peace Director Strike COA. And I'm on the eBay machine here, and I've typed in 2023 Peace Director Strike, and we pulled up 3 results. I'm not sure how we got this one, but we got this one here, 25.50 with 5 days left, 10 bids. And we also got the same price here, so it must be the same bidders on both these listings, and this one's basically got 2 days left. Same price and almost the same title, except it's missing the $ down there. So if you see these titles and the other titles I'm going to go through, no one's putting COA in their title, and people might say, hey, there's not enough room. Get rid of the uncirculated, or what else could they get rid of? Maybe the 1 of 200, or just put 1/200. I don't think you need that. Put COA in there. You'll get more money. Just a little tip for somebody if you're going to sell it. Or any eBay selling on that matter. This person's got 98%. It's funny. Alright, so those are the 2 that are currently listed. And there was one that sold. Let's see. There's one that sold the other day. We'll bring that one up. So here it is, July 31st. 28.50 with basically $11 shipping. They could have maybe netted a little bit more profit if they put free shipping down there. Is what it is. And of course, eBay takes like 13%, so they're not getting straight 28.50 on that. I think they're taking like rough estimate. What's that? $3.90. I think they're taking $3.90 off of the top of that. Plus, you got to pay that shipping. But that's actually a fair amount of money for paying what, $70, $80, 75. Not sure what it was. I think it was 75 bucks. But that's a good little profit. I personally would have probably kept it, but I might have changed my mind once I got it and saw the sold comps. And if you guys remember, what they did do right was they got the box, the congratulations card, and the director's strike COA there. Maybe they should have flipped it over because you can't really see it that well to have the signature line there. But pretty good photo for what it's worth compared to the other people's. Do you guys remember that first one that we saw? Let's bring it up. I think that one sold for $1,200. And it had a funny title. What was it? Director's Strike, Congratulations in the title. And eBay's kind of finicky, so we're not going to get any results, of course. There's that one that we just pulled up right here. Where are you? I know you're here. I remember seeing you. There it is. And look, this one matches all the other titles. It's funny. It's like they copied each other on every single listing. So put COA in there, folks. Come on. You'll get more money. And at least they did the free shipping. So they got $12.59 on it, with 13% going to eBay. Look at this picture. It looks like you're just getting the congratulations card. I'm pretty sure. Do you get the coin and everything? I'm pretty sure you do. There's the COA. There's the box. There's the coin. Alright, so you do get everything, but this person should have had like the whole king caboodle with like everything showed out, because probably the reason why I didn't make that much money is it just had the congratulations card. Like you were just going to get that, so that's funny. Alright guys, well, you're seeing these COAs sell for about 3K right now, so that's kind of the standard it looks like. I'm sure those 2 auctions will go up that high or close to it. I don't think I'm going to report on every single one popping up and what it's sold for, but maybe weekly or every half week I'll report on what's sold. And it's kind of cool to see people get them in the wild and list them and see how people are doing it and what they're making. So like, share, subscribe, support your boy here. We're almost at 100 followers or subs or subscribers. So that's exciting. Never thought I'd get to 100. I thought I'd just stay at like 25. So all thanks to you guys. Thanks for watching. And tell me how your Morgan and Pieces, or your Peace dollars rather, how they're doing. Are they bad? Are they good? And if you got a COA and you haven't told me what you're doing with it, let us know. Are you selling it, keeping it? What you gonna do? Give it to your grandkids? And we'll see you on the next one. If you got any content that you want to see, put it in the comments and I'll probably do a video on it too. So we'll see you guys. Take care.